Hey guys, Steve here. In this video, what we want to do is we want to continue our journey on how you can get started in affiliate marketing without a website, without a product, without an autoresponder, and without an email list, right? And the method or strategy that we're using is we're combining a free affiliate network that offers all these products for free with a 75%, 50% commission type payout, right? It's a free platform, which is ClickBank. I mean, you can do the same with Warrior Plus too. And combining that with My Lead Gen Secret, which is a platform that offers you a built-in bulk email autoresponder, or not autoresponder, a bulk emailer, 100 leads a day, sometimes 200, depends on if you get an affiliate under you, right? Or if you create another account under you, right? That's a different strategy that I see other people doing. I don't create the double account. I just don't want to have a double bill. I mean, I understand you can get more leads. I don't know. I don't like monthly bills as it is. But like I said, My Lead Gen Secret gives you an autoresponder, a bulk emailer, which you can email once every 24 hours. It gives you email swipes actually to 100 to 200 leads a day. And it's at affordable $30 a month. So that's the only bill you pay. And using the free affiliate network, right, promoting those offers, you can easily make enough money as soon as you build up your leads to start generating online commissions, right? And if you didn't know, yesterday's video, I showed you some results where we basically hit the lottery with the My Lead Gen Secret list, and we end up having a $155 day by sending one email, which is unheard of, right? You always hear stories like send one email and make $500 a day, or one email and do this. Well, actually, that's all we did, and I'll recap that a little bit. But first, what I want to do is I want to get this out of the way. If you didn't know, and you can probably check my videos where I got a couple from 2019. When I first started getting into this platform, I started using My Lead Gen Secret back in 2019. I used it for a whole year and really didn't have success. So it didn't pay for itself to me, so I put it to the side, right? And somebody was trying to argue with me in a Facebook group for My Lead Gen Secret the other day, but the comment got deleted. I wish I would have took some pictures where they were saying I'm lying and I'm using bot traffic, or maybe they were saying that My Lead Gen Secret is bot traffic. I don't know. Whatever they were saying is he was calling me a liar from posting a screenshot of the results that I had from that one-day email send. Which I have no reason to lie because I really don't care about it all like that, right? I mean, I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to show you what I did. You don't got to do it. You don't got to believe it. I know it worked for me, and, you know, it is what it is. It's more of a mindset thing. But I can tell you, when I first started using My Lead Gen Secret, I had no idea what to do, right? But now that I went back to it, since My Lead Gen Secret has been inserted into a particular opportunity that I am promoting as like a bonus income stream, right? In a multiple income stream program, I'm coming at it with a fresh set of eyes, with a fresh set of skills that I'm really realizing how to manipulate the My Lead Gen Secret leads. And here, it's not a secret. Here's how you do it. What you would consider as spammy email subject lines, they open, right? And which is amazing because I would look at it and I ain't opening that, but they open it, right? And that's what I use, and that's my tactic. And when I didn't use that the other day on some of these emails that I sent for the ClickBank product, my numbers are low. And I'll show you that here in a minute. But anyway, I just wanted to throw that in there because I didn't have success at first with My Lead Gen Secret. I said the same negative things that everybody else is saying, but when I reactivated my account, I had a whole different, I came at it with a whole different set of skills anyway, right? But also what I also learned is that when you do deactivate your account and you reactivate it again, guess what? All your leads are there. So if you do take a break, your leads will be there when you ever come back again. When you accumulate the skills, right? When you get the skills that you need to succeed with this platform. But anyway, if you need help with My Lead Gen Secret, reach out and I'll try to do my best to help you. Okay, so what we want to do here is we want to jump into the back office to see the results of yesterday's ClickBank offer. Now, what I sent out yesterday, hold on, that's my wife's thing. Hold on. What we sent out yesterday, let me log into ClickBank and I'll show you. What we sent out yesterday, as you can see, I had 155. On the 9th, we had 155. We earned $155. And what I want to do is I want to show you because people don't believe, right? So I go to reporting. And my screen is never big enough, so my screen is never small enough, so let me go here, let me minimize this so it can all be on one screen here. And let's scroll down. And just, if you look here, this was the offer, 181 clicks, hops so far, right? And you can see that this was the result. And let me see if there's a further way to break it down here. If I go to analytics, I thought there was a tracking ID maybe. Let me see. Tracking ID. That just shows my Legion secret. This was one day, and this was a different day here. This was sent into my get response list. I have a small list in get response. So, but as you can see, I use these trackers here, and these are the hops here. I thought there was a different way to look at some kind of analytics here, right here. So, they bought it. I'm not sure what this means here, but I'm not sure how this is spread out. But these are sales from that one person who bought it. So it looks like one person bought it, and they just got upsold. So anyway, that's just kind of proof. I don't understand how the stats work. Because like I said, in the results from the other day, I was kind of surprised that it took one day to do that email. But the offer, if you're curious, let's go to here. Let me open this up a little bit more. The offer that I used, I just went over to e-business here and hit gravity. The offer that I used was this one right here. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter. And as you can see, you see it right down here, 182 hops. Upsells here. So that's kind of why it was like hitting the lottery for me. Because I was like, wow, I didn't really know it worked like that. I was just experimenting. But anyway, let's go here. Now, go back to what I was saying. This is my Legion secret. You can get 100 leads a day, $30 a month, very affordable. How they get these leads are, they send the leads through a screening process and they click a checkbox saying if they want more Make Money Online opportunities. Then they get on the list, and then they get put in a database. They get provided, and to each member, 100 leads a day for a certain price. And it does a little bit of that explaining right here. So anyway, there'll be more information if you click the link in the description box below. So let's log in and look at some of the stats from yesterday's email. And it already looks bad, right? 92 clicks, only 1,600 opens. Let's go here to the stats page. As you can see, my stats are typically up around, the open range is up around the 4,000s, except on the weekends, which these probably are. It's kind of what I'm figuring out here. They've been up above the 4,000 mark most of the time until I sent this email on the 7th. Let's see where the 7th is. The 6th, the 7th, which sucked, right? And then, since then, I've been using these canned emails from ClickBank, and they haven't been working, right? But on the 9th, we know that this one was a winner for somebody, and that's the one we scored on, right? That's the one we got the $155 sale, and I'll recap and show you that proof again. Let's see, where's that email? Oh, right down here. I'll show you again. So I sent that on the 9th, and I'll show you on the 9th is when we scored big, and I just want to show you. And then that's where this one is on the 9th here. Just so you can connect the dots, right? You connect those two. Because, man, the dude kind of made me mad when he was talking about I'm lying. I ain't lying. But that's where that was. So just anyway, I want to show you something, what I'm talking about the subject line. So when I do a subject line like this, for instance, finally no experience needed, I get 5,000 opens. when I do a subject line like this, $100 to $2,000 a day, I get 4,000 opens, 7.2% open rate, and then low clicks. When I do a download a free ebook, I get 8.4 open percentage and 5.92. But see, if you look here, this open rate and this click rate is high. So I'm going to use a combination on this next email I'm going to send. I'm going to use a combination. I'm going to use this subject line here. Let's see what that email is. You see how simple the email is? That's the email I'm going to use for this next email blast, but I'm going to put my ClickBank offer in there just so we can see how it works, right? And here are some other headlines that I use, and you can see just the various percentages and different open rates. Like this one had a low open rate, but a high percentage of clickers. So I could use the body of this one. Oh, this is wow, this is that. I hate long emails. So this one must have convinced somebody to click or they unsubscribe. But you know what I mean? So that's kind of what I do. I just use the high openers, which means that the subject lines are good. Here's another one. It's all done for you. This is an email, and I put a post. This is from my OLSP program. I got a lot of clickers, a lot of openers, right? So anyway, that's the strategy we're about to use. And on the opportunity we're going to use this time, it won't be it's not going to be the same opportunity. It's going to be one different. So anyway, let's go over to the mailer. And then also what I want to show you real quick is I'm going to put this sales page as a My Lead Gen Secret in my PS line. And this is a ready-made page that you get by joining the Facebook group. They'll provide this template for you. So anyway, so what I'm going to do is go over to the offer that we're going to select. And, oh, sorry. What did I say? First thing we're going to do is select the email. And we're going to go here, finally no experience needed. And I'm going to hit load. And what it does is it loads that basic email again, right? And I already know we're going to change this. And I'm going to change that to, let's go here. I'm going to just change that first. And I'm going to take this line here where it says the most powerful income lead generation system. And I'm going to come down here. And I'm just going to paste that here. And I'm going to open this up. Make this 18 again. And that's going to be the subject line here. And I'm going to go ahead and take this. You can't see it off screen, but it's the link here, and I'm going to embed it here. Okay. Because basically, like I said, I'm going to use the same email from the other day that got me a lot of opens. So new window. Okay. Now for the offer we're going to use is we're going to jump back over to ClickBank. And the offer we're going to use today, I'm going to go to Marketplace. And here, let's see. And this time we're going to go with, we're going to go to Click the Wealth system here because it still has a high gravity here. And we're going to see what this is about. So I'm going to hit promote. And we're just going to do the same thing we did the other day. ML, My Lead Gen Secret, right? And then we're going to hit generate hop. And I'm going to copy that. And you get 60% commissions off of this one for every customer you refer. Right? So that's what that is. I copied that. And I go back to my Lead Gen Secret here. And right here, I'm just going to take that and then that, and I'm going to hit that, and I'm going to put my link right there. Target window. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm just going to leave it just like that. So you saw I put the My Lead Gen Secret link here. The most powerful. Now I'm going to change that. I'm going to change that to some different verbiage here. What do I want to say? Oh, I'll go like this. I'll go back here and I'll put, how about this? Let me double click this. And I'm going to put, learn the secret to getting unlimited leads and commissions for any business. Oh, your business. And I'm going to learn the secret to getting unlimited leads and commissions. I'm just put unlimited commissions for your business. Okay, and I'll put that there. Learn the secret to getting unlimited commissions for your business. And I'll put that there. Watch the video, click the link, start the profiteering. And it's super simple email, but I'm going to keep it simple, right? Let's go back up at the headline. Finally, no experience needed to profit online. That got me a lot of opens before, so we're going to leave that in. Like I said, it's all about experimentation. You figure out, you learn how to adjust emails, tweak emails, reuse subject lines, change the body, change the offer, right? I mean, you get 100 leads a day. Odds are the same lead is not opening your email every day. Like on my private email list, I'm pretty sure a couple people open my emails all the time, right? The same person. But this email list is so massive that, I doubt that the same person is opening it. So we're going to be emailing it to 65,100 leads today. We're going to leave this here. We're going to have this saying, finally, no experience needed to profit online. You already saw the links that I put in here. This is a My Lead Gen secret link. This is a ClickBank offer for Click to Wealth. And I'm click perfect timing, and I'm going to hit send. And that's it. So it's queuing up here, and you'll see that down here. And as you can see now, I have 23 hours before I can send it again. But anyway, that's as easy as it is, right? That's as easy as it is. Let me check here real quick. Yeah, so that's it. And if you didn't know, My Lead Gen Secret also comes with email swipes here. The affiliates, here's the commissions. For first level, you can get $5. Second level for third, 3, 2, and 1. You get a superstar bonus if you get 5 people in a 7-day period, which is $100. I mean, it's a nice little platform for training on how to do email marketing, and if you wanted to get affiliate marketing on a budget. So anyway, that's all that I got. I just wanted to recap yesterday's results, which was a 0. Right? The stats show everything, right? And now I'm back down here. I need to get my number opens back up to above the 4,000 range where I was liking it. But we'll find out tomorrow on how that email does. And I think that's all that I got. As always, like, share, and subscribe if you got any kind of value out of this video. If you're interested in partnering with me in the My Lead Gen Secret opportunity, click the link below. Reach out. I can help you with some subject lines, some email swipes. I can help you, walk you through some of the things if needed. But as always, thanks for hanging out. Like, share, subscribe, and I'm out.